Projectors come in a wide variety, and ultra-short-throw projection systems are becoming increasingly popular. You probably know that finding the best ultra-short-throw projector isn't an easy process if you've already begun your search. In order to get a model that is truly investment-worthy, you need to take into account a number of factors. I have compared different projectors in terms of brightness, resolution, speakers, and light source, highlighted their strongest and weakest points, and narrowed down the choice to 5 top models. In the description box, we have included links. Come on, let's get started. At number 1 is Samsung Premiere LS7T. Samsung's ultra-short-throw laser Premiere LS7T projector will deliver a theater-like experience from the comfort of your own home. You can place this device anywhere, even inches from the wall, and it won't interfere with your viewing experience. On a 9120-inch screen space, you will enjoy the realistic and vibrant viewing due to the precise color accuracy and contrast provided by the inbuilt sensors. With a resolution of 3840 x 2160 pixels, this HDR10 Plus projector boasts 4K resolution. Switching to filmmaker mode gives you a truly cinematic experience. A projector like the Optoma Cinema XP2 does not have this feature. It would be great if I could fix the focus issue at the corners and edges. In this 2.2-channel system, the Premiere LS7T projector comes with an inbuilt subwoofer and 30-watt speakers. Alexa, Google Assistant, or Bixby can be used to control smart home devices and projectors. With the smart TV powered by Tizen, you can access your favorite apps, streaming services, and smart home devices. You don't have to leave your home to enjoy dramatic high-resolution cinema viewing and powerful sound when you use the Samsung Premiere LS7T projector. At number 2 is Optoma GT5600. In my opinion, the Optoma GT5600 is the best budget projector on this list if you're looking for a decent projector without burning a hole in your pocket. Many gamers enjoy playing their favorite AA titles with this feature, which allows them to see and hear the smallest details. With its place-and-play design, this 1000 ADI projector is ready to use right out of the box. You can launch auto keystone correction by connecting it to a gaming console or a video player. You don't have to worry about managing cables since the throw distance ranges from 1.3 to 1.9 feet. At 80 inches, the image size is at its lowest point, and at 100 inches it reaches its maximum size. Integrated speakers deliver crisp audio from the projector's 16 watts. On large screens, you'll get accurate details, deep shadows, and stunning textures thanks to the 20,001 contrast ratio and top-notch optical lens. This projector allows you to connect Android and iOS devices and turn your standard gaming sessions into exciting esports events. Optoma GT5600 lacks HDR support, which is the most disappointing aspect. When it comes to budget-friendly products, there are always trade-offs. At number 3 is Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS300. You should consider the Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS300 if high picture quality is your top priority. Watch TV shows, watch sports competitions, or play games with immersive and perfectly bright HDR images with full HD resolution. The image size can range from 60 to 120 inches, which is sufficient for most purposes. Yamaha 2.1 speakers are built into the projector, making it one of the most powerful audio systems in the world. A standalone speaker can also be connected via Bluetooth for an even more immersive experience. In the range of 0.0–1.3 feet, the throw distance deserves many compliments. You can place a projector right next to the screen and get a clear picture with distinct blacks and whites. Remote control is included with the model. Using Google Assistant, you can also perform some routine tasks with voice search. With its built-in Android TV, Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS300 runs on a variety of devices. At number 4 is WEMAX Nova. WEMAX Nova projectors feature Android TV 9.0 versions and wireless connectivity via Wi-Fi 5 to give you an immersive theater-like experience from your couch. You can stream HBO Max, Showtime, Disney+, download apps from Google Play, or connect to Netflix. You will need a Fire TV stick or similar streaming device for this. A 4K UHD image has 8.3 million pixels, which is 4 times the resolution of a 1080p HD image. Consequently, the image is bright and well-balanced. Even when placed 19 inches from a wall, this ultra-short throw projector produces vivid and crisp images. There's a need for a shorter distance with the LG HU85LA projector, but this criterion is not critical for most people. At the corners, the image becomes blurry, but the contrast is good. The crystal clear sound comes from 30 watts of Dolby DTS HD speakers. It runs Android, as I stated previously. Before the update, I was able to access the on-screen menu without any problems, using the voice control button. It can be controlled by iPhone, Android, iPad, laptop, tablets, or other devices. Your best option if you plan to spend around $3,000 on a home projector is the WEMAX Nova. At number 5 is LG HU85LA. In this 4K ultra-short throw laser projector, HDR10 and dynamic tone mapping have been added, resulting in improved image quality frame by frame. True motion technology, a special method of video processing that constructs animation frames between existing frames, is another significant improvement. A great deal of the smoothness and fluidity of animation can be attributed to this technology. With a traditional blue laser and a red laser, the LG HU85LA provides a more comprehensive coverage of colors. Due to its 2700 lumens of brightness, it deserves the title of Best Premium Projector. 1.3 to 1.7 feet is the throw distance, which is within standard values. There are no limits to the size of images, with the maximum side being 120 inches and the lowest margin being 90 inches. With the Magic Remote, you can access branded WebOS Smart TV operating systems instantly. By doing this, you can watch your favorite movies and shows on the most popular streaming platforms. This projector has been designed to look sleek and suitable for almost any modern environment by the developers. You can bring a cinema-inspired atmosphere right into your home with integrated speakers. You will hear every note because they deliver powerful and immersive sound. Android and Windows devices can easily be paired with LG HU85LA via wireless connectivity. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like it if you did. If you're new here, click the subscribe button. Wishing you all the best until the next video.